welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, hi, hello, my name is Lauren. Hope you guys will stick around for more videos. You can do that by clicking the little red button right down below. In today's video, we are going to be talking about gifts for Father's Day, because if you're like me, I suck at giving gifts and I never know what to do. So I've done a lot of research, I've gathered a lot of fun ideas, and I'm going to rattle them all off for you guys, as well as link a bunch down below. So if you're looking for the perfect Father's Day gift, like I said, I will have plenty of links down below for you guys to go and check everything out. You can literally shop it directly. Before we hop into the video though, guys, don't forget to give this one a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All you gotta do is click that little red button right down below. And let's get into it. Also, if you see anything moving down here, my puppy again is sitting behind me. He likes to just hang out there and it's cute, and he's all cuddly today. Like Charlie, he'll be a good boy. You can't see him right now, but if he moves, he will. I'm going to be listing these off pretty quickly because there are a ton of different ideas that I have for you guys. So I hope that's not too fast, but like I said, everything will be linked down below. Now, I'm a firm believer that handmade gifts are great for Mother's and Father's Day, so if that is like your budget and you don't feel like spending a ton of money, handmade gifts are always the best. You can do things like photo frames, a decorated photo frame. You can do DIY cards. You can do something that he can hang up in like his workspace. There are a ton of DIYs on Pinterest, so definitely go and check those out. Alright, time to get into the other list of gifts though that you can literally just buy and that are a lot more simple. So let's do it. You could get him a watch, a new razor, or like face trimming set. You could get him like an Amazon Echo or Alexa. We have one and we love it.
I can't connect to your Wi-Fi network.
She heard me.
You can find setup instructions in the help section of your...
If he's really into grilling and kind of cooking, you could really do a grill. You could do any kind of grilling supplies like tongs or spatulas or like an oven mitt. You could do like a grilling apron. That's the word. Couldn't think of it for a second. A grilling apron. You could get him a new set of pots and pans. You could do any sort of kitchenware or utensils or fun little gadget. If your dad is the comfy, cozy, lazy type, you could get him a new pair of moccasins or slippers and then stuff it with things like a movie and candy, maybe his favorite beverage, a blanket even, just things to really kind of make a comfy, cozy package. If your dad is into outdoorsy stuff, he may be interested in a larger present like a tent or a kayak or a canoe or new paddles for that. Maybe he likes really big toys like a four-wheeler or a motorcycle or something crazy. Obviously those are ones you may have to have some help purchasing, but they are also some really good ideas if you think that he would be interested in that sort of thing. Going along with that, you can get gifts that are more like experience type. So if you know he does like camping, maybe get him, I don't know, like a monthly or seasonal membership to go camping at a certain campground. Or maybe he likes to go fishing and do outdoorsy things, so you could get him like a new fishing rod or hooks or bait or whatever that be, or maybe like a time to go and rent a boat and go fishing. You could even go with him and like spend some quality time. If he's really into a certain band, you could purchase tickets to go see that band. If your dad is really simple, even just like his favorite beer or favorite food is always a great idea too. Maybe a little gift card to his favorite restaurant. Etsy is a really good place also to look for gifts. You can find a lot of personalized things, maybe like a leather keychain or a nice koozie or a different or unique type of watch. There are a ton of ideas on Etsy too, so if you ever want to go and look there, literally just search Father's Day gift ideas and so many will pop up. You could do a pocket knife, and you can even find one somewhere where you can get it engraved with a message or just like a Happy Father's Day. Clothing is always a nice option too, clothing and accessories wise, so maybe a wallet, a watch, a belt, new socks, new ties, bow ties, t-shirts, sweaters, sweatshirts, pants, shorts if you know his sizes. A hat is always great too. If your dad's really into a certain type of sport, such as golfing, then you could really look into that and see if there's anything there that you could get him a gift for. Maybe a club that he's been wanting, or like a cover to go on like one of his drivers, or some golf balls or extra tees, or maybe a membership to one of the clubs to go golfing. There are a ton of different options for that as well. All right, so my card just filled up, so I needed to grab the other one, but we back. Some other fun ideas could be a personalized beer mug or cup, a bottle opener, really like simple, small gift. You could do any type of his favorite food or maybe food topping. So if he's like a big hot sauce fan, then you could go and get a bunch of different flavors for him to try. Or if he loves sweets, of course, you could literally go crazy with buying candy or maybe something a little more like gourmet chocolates or things like that. Another nice gift is like a toiletry bag that you could get customized with his initials on it. If your dad is the fixer-up type, then you can always do a bunch of different tools. I mean, you could buy him a tool kit, you could buy him a new drill set, you could buy him like a whole storage unit to put all of his tools in. You could build him a workbench to work on things. You can go crazy with that kind of stuff. I've even seen a personalized hammer on Etsy, so again, if you want to go the personalized route, that is definitely the way to go. But there is a ton of options for that you can do as well. Alrighty guys, that brings us to the end of the video. I really hope you guys found this video helpful or maybe inspired you or made you think of another gift that you think would be perfect for your dad for Father's Day. If you did find this video helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below for my channel. You guys can check out when I get all new videos posted. I have a lot of fun ones coming up soon, so you're gonna wanna stick around. And without further ado guys, that brings us to the end of the video. I hope that you all found it helpful. If you know someone that needs to see this video or maybe needs a little help with their Father's Day shopping like myself, make sure to share this video with them and tell them to subscribe to my channel as well because I've got a lot of fun videos like this one. Alright guys, that brings us to the end. I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!